Do you ever have a feeling that you can't explain? Your brain could be misfiring. Not because something's wrong with it, but because it evolved for a world that's completely different than the one we're living in right now. It was designed to scan for danger, obsess over worst-case scenarios, and overreact to uncertainty. That made sense when danger was real, when you were just one wrong move away from death. But now it's trying to use the same wiring to process unread emails and that vague WhatsApp reply that you received from your friend. And that's what we call negativity bias. But this bias isn't a flaw. It made absolute sense when the cost of being an optimist was death. But now, the same programming turns a delayed text into rejection, a quiet room into judgment, and a missed call into, is something wrong with me? You're not irrational for having these feelings. You're just running an outdated operating system, one that was built for a world completely different than the one we're living in right now. The threats have changed, our programming didn't. That's what's called in the literature theory of evolutionary mismatch. This is when a species' environment drastically changes from the one that they evolved in. It causes their emotions and behavior to misfire. Your brain isn't wrong, your brain isn't the enemy, it's just running an outdated software.